That'll put Springfield on the map.
Yeah, why aren't we on the map?
I don't know. I made like 20 calls to Rand McNally. They don't even know what state we're in. Thanks to these hastily passed, untested, pandering laws, Springfield is now the most dog-friendly city in America. Yay! Arf.
Is there anything here the dogs haven't gotten into?
Just the dog food.
Why are you shutting me down?
You made a dog wait for a teeth clean while you saved a racehorse's life?
You call yourself a veterinarian. Huh.
And you know what we found inside? Dogs in cages.